Today's video regarding HP DeskJet Plus 4152 printer. So how to scan multiple documents as a single PDF file. For that we are going to connect this printer with our Android device and then we will use it for the wireless scanning. Also open the rear paper tray and load A4 size sheets so that we can print the printer's password. Open the output tray. And once your printer is ready, go on the display panel. So we are looking for the Wi-Fi Direct icon. As you can see, this is the small icon just on the tip of my finger. If you don't see this button, you just have to press the Wi-Fi button once and it will activate the Wi-Fi Direct. To print the password, we need to click on the information button once and wait for the printer to print printer information page. So here we can see the printer information page is printed, and look for the Wi-Fi Direct icon, and the name of the printer and the password is here. Go to your Android device and open the Wi-Fi setting. Look for the printer's Wi-Fi name, that is Direct HP DeskJet 4100. Enter the password as it was written on the sheet. Click on the connect button. So once it is connected, we go and open the HP Smart app. In this app we need to add the printer, so click on the plus button which is on the top of the screen, and the name of the printer is displayed on the next screen. Click on that and it will add up here. So it's very easy to add this printer using printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system. Now we are ready to do the scanning. The easiest way is to use the top feeder tray of this printer and place the pages like this. As you can see, these are the 3 pages. Go to your Android device and look for the printer scan option. On the top you will see it says color feeder automatic. That means the printer will select automatically the top feeder tray, and click on the scan button. So all the 3 pages are available here. Now I'll show you how to save them as a single file PDF. So click on the save icon. As it might be JPEG on the top, so you have to click on the PDF, and you can also change the name of the file which is on the top and write down anything you want. Once it is done, click on the save button. On the next screen you will see where it is going to be saved, and click on the save button. Now to check this scanned file, go view and print option which is on the bottom of the screen, and here look on the PDFs, and here on the top we will see the same file is present. So it is saved in the HP Smart app, so you have to find there. Hopefully it worked for you, and it's a really good printer. If you want to do a lot of scannings, then it's best to use the top feeder tray. Thanks for watching.